Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. Anyway, things well, so we give thanks. So yes, so guys, it's a wonderful day. The sun is out. The rain was falling. Now the rain stops. I know everything is great. It's right now. Everything's good. So yeah, so as you can see, we're heading up to Mama River. You know, so we're gonna get some cat food. Basically, we'll get some cat food, you know, for the cat from Amina, you know, and also, you know, my dog, the one always giving me high five, you know, she have baby right now, so you know I have to go buy her a bag of feeding as well too. So you know, I can't buy she a bag of feeding and don't buy next cranberry dog and feeding also. So today is the day for the dog. Sorry, today is the animal day. So that's what I'm gonna do today, guys. So I'm gonna get some food for them. Hold on 1 second. My phone been ringing. Okay, so yes, guys. So I'm here at the supermarket that I usually get. We usually buy the dog food. Oh, so
or you want the credits?
So
the bun.
So basically it's bun done, bun time done. So basically Amina want us to get keep me color, you know, to keep the flea off. But
To keep flea off?
yeah, that's what they said. Yeah, but I doubt them sell any near. You know, so we don't really know. Yeah, last time I was looking for dog pan.
Oh, pan.
Yeah, so we doubt any is gonna be inside here. So we're just gonna look, you know, but we're just gonna buy some more cat food, whatever, you know. So you know, I can buy my dog food as well too. So my dog is giving breast milk.
So you have to go
cat milk. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the only section them have for animals, and there's no collar, but not here. Said here.
Training pad. Them have training pads.
Oh look, what's the color this?
Yeah, a color.
Dark color
Dark
this.
color,
So this is a dark color. So we supposed to see a dark color, but no cat color.
And them dog they can't color them again. And them all.
So Amina, so you see we see two dark color, no cat color. None at all. I know my little dog, it's a scratch.
Yeah, that's how they put the one.
Because she have ticks, yeah. She want to shower. And poor me.
Yeah, serious then.
No.
Yeah, I get it.
So buy Friskies or Purina. Which one is the Friskies?
Them here. But they made that deal last time. We get extra, we get a free one. I guess the deal finished.
Yeah, the finish.
So 3, so I get 1 or 2 for the
So buy the Friskies.
So this is a prime fillet.
Now, so we now get the no cat color here. We not see nothing for cat. This nothing for cat. Oh, we need a little trolley. Something to put it in there. And the dog food we I usually buy, this is some different one. This is the big bag. This is a balanced dog food. But we can't only look after the humans and not looking after the animals as well too. So I guess we have to be doing that. So Amina, there is no cat color in it. Right, so we have to just buy some cat food, you know, with the money. You know. And then I'm gonna also have to buy 2 bags of dog food for the dogs them for myself, for them as well.
How let me get the other?
Why a dozen?
How much that? Oh,
The
6.
6.
Like
A dozen.
each, so 1 on each one.
They're not a cat color. So yeah.
My cat. Me?
Yes man, Esther, you shoot man.
From Baymack, what do you give salmon? We get some canned salmon and we give them. Say it with somebody give them it. I'm going to take run. I'm so rubbish pan. Me? Ano also na yun? Wala naman also may DNA. No, listen now. The mother come from me, really come out of my house. I said, come out of my mother gone to him, just take it from me. Me can't like me. Poor kid, me no. They get born with them. But them can't pass their age. Them turn all. Them go to
so buy some cat food. But I mean, how can I get any cat food? So buy some cat food. You know, so we're going to cash out and run out of town.
9 cats?
9 cats. That is so much cat.
1 cat with that married.
Yeah. Doing work, see there. Oh, go on. Are you doing work, man?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah. Doing good?
Yeah, man. That thing quartz. No, that thing Bashko.
Oh.
With a
No, nah, you know so, man. You know, with the seed the last time.
Oh, cool, no? That's already good.
I was like, what pass through a do it. Oh, man. You're on a box.
Yeah, man.
You're there on box.
Yeah, man.
Like, no, so you have to go make them know now. Two of them sell liquor artists, you know, liquor artists.
Yeah, yeah.
them say, liquor addy.
Definitely.
And I can't tell your daddy.
I want you to teach him, man. You don't know his style. Little at the outside.
Yes, you say, addy your daddy? Addy are your daddy?
No, a teacher on the place.
Yeah.
Man.
So when them say, when they say about UTG, an artist, you know? So you're an artist?
I'm an artist, you know, I'm a producer.
You're a producer?
Yeah, video producer and content creator.
Okay.
Yeah,
What kind of content you create?
Alright, so that like skits and movie skits and them there.
Okay.
Yeah,
So you're a comedian?
Yeah, man, I will do voiceovers and them thing, imitation.
Okay. You see there, so what you can give right now? You can give some joke right now, something. You think you?
Well, do you want to give people them something, you know, but I don't know. Right now, they're in a grieving state, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Man. Alright, we know your thing already. Don't say a word, man. Respect
Yeah, man.
and big up, man. Yeah?
No flow.
Yeah, man.
Take care of them,
Yeah.
yeah.
Alright. Kino Life in Jamaica. Kino.
That's right. Well, I drop out with you, you know.
Oh, see.
Yes, sir.
Sorry for you that. Really sorry for you that. So Kino Life.
May I call her? May I ask you if she come pick it up? The youth, yeah.
Well, who's that over there? Oh, that over there. Yes, because that is Shakara. You know, that is my little cousin, you know, Daniela's sister. You see her over there. Esther go and mash up one icicle.
Popsicle.
Popsicle, yeah, mash up.
Yeah.
And an icicle. Alright, guys, so we get some cat food, so give thanks to Amina, you know, and also buy dog food for the dogs. You know, because I don't know my dog, I get breast milk right now, you know, so. This is Amigo brother right here, you know.
Yeah.
This is Amigo brother. Wait me, boom.
Amiga brother.
Amigo brother.
What in pan? Where name?
Stretch your hand more. Stretch out your hand more.
So country to come from
Yeah. Trench down. Actually, the name is Amigo. Carol.
Yeah.
Carol, brother. He said no.
Next door.
He live next door. Boom, you need to start take off your shoes and walk the earth to, you know, boom. Oh, yeah, move so boom as the Rasta man. Motor Baruka related. Bare feet. Anytime I come up here, I start do it. Yes, guys, I'm here and I'm bare feet again. And I feel much better. The exercise this time, I don't feel that tender. I'm getting used to it. I'm getting used to it, guys. Trust me. So, trust me. No shoes. We got some opera people. Well, opera come, Esther.
Opera come back, man, yeah.
Opera coming back. It's coming back.
Again, it's coming back again.
Yeah,
Let
man.
them get black door. Would them take up a stick? I think no.
It's coming back. I will if I come back, man.
Yeah, it's like to be a second round.
It's coming back.
They won't stick there.
Can I get more stick, man? Like I know the routine.
Thank you. Okay.
Shakara.
Hi.
Okay.
I know I'm not in a Texas fan. I don't know why.
I used to say I want to come. Daniela. When Daniela see you up here now, I'm sorry. A problem. And you go down there and you're like, you go go see Cranberry. Wait there. Esther. The big pine gone.
Yeah.
Boom.
What a thing.
Violation.
Yeah.
Yo, call the police there.
What the sea pine gone?
The big pine missing. A joke thing.
Our pine.
A joke thing. The big pine missing.
What's the man name again?
Why is it?
Why is it?
Why is it?
Yeah, Africa protest.
Why is it?
Oh, the pine gone.
What's it gonna ride for them guys?
It right. The man trick with. The man tell you so 1.5 months. And it gone in a 1.5 day.
Misleading.
No, sir. Hey, Boise, if you're watching this program, you Boise, you tell me say 1.5 months and the pine missing in 1.5 day. How way you do? Misleading information they give to me? How could you do that, Boise? Shame on you. Boise, I see him when you eat out the bun and cheese, you know. Boise, are you uncle with the pine there? Are you picking? Where the pine?
Somebody?
You don't know? The pine gone. Look, right now, no owner. Hey, you know, some have boys, you know, when I call him. Boys tell me 1.5 months. Wait, Esther, I call boys. You think I'm a joke thing?
What's that with
Yeah, that's called boys. 1.5 months, the man tell me it missing in 1.5 days, guys. I'm calling boys right now. Right now. Right now, I'm calling Boise. And if Boise in the answer, him know what him do. Ah, Boise!
Yo,
What go on?
I know.
I think you should have known what go on now, Boise. But the pine missing, Boise. Yeah. Can you tell me 1.5 months and it missing in 1.5 day? How go on?
Pine now come here, man.
But it miss
The pine gone, Boise.
No pine no gone yet, man.
The big one where the dead egg gone, somebody pick it. The one of the rat. Yeah.
When you say somebody pick it,
Yeah, someone pick it.
I must ballad pick it.
A ballhead?
Yeah, that's right name.
You don't have to dread to be Rasta. Yo. A ballhead just pick the things there. Boys, we're going to line up some pine for you, boys.
So that, yo, mister, anytime the pine you make them 2 little girls know what I go on.
Them.
Tell them and they'll find me.
Alright then. But make a show test the difference and we reason then, boys.
Yeah, man, I'm already up, so.
Yeah, we just reach.
Okay. Alright, now what's up, my friend? Right now, my church, I take them up the right one.
Alright then. Come so call you back then.
Alright.
Alright. Alright guys, boys, you say I never him. Him say I must ballad. River nice today. River's nice today. Shakara, go and chuck off. Hey. River clean and nice. You know it goes already. I have to sit down by the river. So I have to start with some river meds before I head on up to Cranberry. Relax liquor. You know? Feel the nature and feel the vibe. Trust me. I got no shoes on. You know, man, I feel more joyful, like literally walking without shoes up here, and literally sitting there by the river. I feel a little niceness. You ever feel a little tingling in your body, like when the rain just starts to fall, and you feel like a nice vibes there when the rain fall. You feel nice in your body, like that's how I feel right now. You know, sitting here by the river, bare feet. It's like the energy I go up inside of me, guys. Not even lying. Oh, I can't believe I've been missing this all this time. How could I? How could I miss all of this? Nah, man. Feels so good. Feels so good. Not even lying, it feels good. Guys, so Boomer is not here today. Boomer is not here. Place is empty. So I guess we're the only one here. This is a pine. This is a pine right here. Early stage, so you know you have over a year for that to grow. Nature. Nature. Let me say, once you're next with nature, you're next to God with nature, you know what I mean? So I'm getting so close with nature right now. Just life energy. So everyone else gone up, so I'm taking my time. I guess this is okra. You know what kind of tree is this? You know what kind of tree is this? Can you guess and tell me? Can you guess and tell me what kind of tree is this? What type of tree? But most of you, by you see it by the leaves, you know. So if you don't get it already, I will say it. This is the almond tree. In Jamaica we say almond. Some say almond, almond. Is it the same tree? I don't think it's the same tree. It's all different. All different. Cranberry! Put on some clothes. Toko, go put on clothes. Guys, when you see the house, just tell me if you like it. If you like it, trust me, it's a good look. I like the way it looks. I like the color. You know, the color purple and the pink makes sense. Guys, nature. You know, yeah, Sekino. You know, just hug the tree. When you see the tree, Esther, yeah, Sekino, when you see the tree, they must hug them, man. Yeah. He says, hug it, man. Nature love. Oh, gosh. Feels so good.
Yeah, sister.
Mine ants. The herbal one. The herbal man.
Oh.
God, I'm in love with the nature. I'm in love with the tree.
Mine ants.
No ants. Gosh. I'm walking bare feet, but you have to look out for dodo. Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah, sell me jackfruit.
I'm not in picky.
We got evict him, right? I lie. Okay. Toko climb the tree.
Toko in a tree.
Toko, put on your top, Toko. I'm coming up. You said Toko climb the tree?
Yeah, them put up Toko in a tree. Say.
I read time, boy.
Yeah, Toko.
The banana them still. They must shoot. They must shoot. Shakara, welcome to the wilderness. This is what you need in your soul. We'll take you out of the concrete jungle. Yeah. You know. I don't want to get shy. Yeah. Guys, this is my cousin as well too. You know, the last one you see with the kids, them Daniela, that's also my cousin. So I'm getting them mingled, get them outside. You know, getting her mingled. This is my cousin. This is Daniela's sister. My Daniela, this is her sister. So yeah, nature life. Boom. You need to take off that desert clocks and get grounded. Yo, I don't see it. But Esther, you too.
Get grounded.
Get grounded. But now like I feel good. You give me a different vibes.
No, that's dirty.
Yeah, see, me tell you, each up in the concrete jungle too much. I mean it's dirty. You wash out back your foot in the river.
Alright.
Yeah, get grounded. This is what you need as well, the nature. If you step in a doo-doo, not watch no face.
Yeah, me not watch my face.
I say if you step in doo-doo, yeah.
Step in a dude in a must.
It's cure, it's manure. It will be cure. No sir, that one is not posh, sir. Not posh, living in the inner city. She can't even climb hill. Yeah, so boom, I take it off. What you mean, boom? Get grounded, man. That is it. Yeah. And the water and walk it, you know. Evening twins. You don't mind stepping poo-poo, right? Evening. The creamies. Oh. Hello, hello. Greetings. Yeah. White nose. Alright. What? Yeah.
Why you have to be barefoot? You don't remember say I go get juke in your foot?
I remember. I'm bare feet. Look, why you bare feet?
Tell me you have barefoot, you see.
Oh, me have bare feet, right?
You see I'm puppy there yourself, Chris? I see him one of them down there, so now. See him puppy like, oh, Chris one white and black.
Okay, your dog a puppy as well too.
Same time.
Wow.
Okay.
Same time.
If I something that new at him.
Please don't step on my feet today, okay?
Sorry, Daddy, what do you step on top of them?
Please don't step on my feet today, Cranberry. No.
Well, I'm gonna see you after a year again.
Come here, how long you gonna see me?
2 years.
2 years.
I'm telling my son I didn't come don't see you.
I think.
Yeah, somebody look at me, I tell her.
You hear that, guys? When Cranberry, when she not see me, I think. I think.
Like so.
When it think I'm gonna come?
Yeah.
Wee! She now coming, so it was dinking. Imagine that.
Time I said, look at my bet, so Kima coming on. I think I go come to that tomorrow. I just tell him, look at me, I just tell her, I say, tell her mother, say, Kima must come. But now I tell you, say, I'm coming out that. I just tell my mother. And I say, go sweep up the yard. I clean up the yard it way. And I say, come on. Yeah, no, cheer away.
Nana, anytime you say something and Nana react, we don't say.
Yeah, because we know
It's
Nana.
still helping. I mean, she pop them.
Nana, tell her what's happening. What go on?
No, my mother.
The yard, we, my mother, my sister, them.
Cranberry not do it. She's not in, she involved?
Oh, but
okay.
we have like a shell one.
No, Kima. I'm help too.
I'm not you.
Yeah, I'm back up the whole I rubbish down.
No.
Anybody on
You're fine yard.
Look at me, yeah.
I'm come by the juice soon.
Look, that's Daniela's sister there, right there.
I take one, take her away.
You take her away? She named Shakara.
And then so me and I here look there. If you didn't look.
Okay.
Look
yes.
here, so my here look now.
Yeah. You know, look to see Shakara need to live
so
up
she
here.
black.
And she like you though. Hey, I mean. Sure. Yeah, so she black.
She look a bit tall. She look a bit tall and I'm still a get tall.
Yeah, because you are the same here now. One
That's
red
it.
and one, yes.
One black and one red.
Yeah.
Yeah, my sister, not the leg. Look how you're black, watch her.
Yeah.
Look at me. If you're black like me, I be a sister. I say, sister, want food and them things, them want yam down you.
Yeah.
And I make you get no every day, you alone. You want to tell us someone can cook? Porridge,
She knows she watching.
banana, all food and juice and banana and them, something like that. Yeah, we can blend it. The green banana, me at all.
I make porridge.
Yeah, and drink it. Choke him if he bring him cup. Me boy someone give me him bring it down to him family them.
Oh.
I make him say, but a cranberry porridge and a cranberry porridge.
Cranberry banana porridge. Cranberry banana.
Wow. Look at the house, guys.
Look at the dog shaking tail and so I go to the side.
Yeah, so look at this, guy. Look at the house.
2 dogs are puppy.
Esther, what do you think about the pink?
Yeah, the pink nice.
My
Pink
father,
and the purple, right?
Yeah.
no, we paint it today, no, yeah.
Should I say? Oh, no, yeah.
I'm a paint on this up.
Yeah.
See, Georgie, they have you come with this. Gotta come.
You know, your next set of
Watch out, look, turn around. Kima come, I gotta come. Have you come, Kima? Come on.
I gotta
Watch
come.
out, no long with there, I say, Georgie, nah, come. Gotta come, make ya.
They eat today, make it
She eat the good food.
Low stuff from where them turn ya.
Toko, are you pick the jackfruit for sure?
I'm a push on a tree.
Yeah.
I tell you there. Yeah, man, you remember jumping on Cranberry, man, you remember jumping on that tree now.
Lie.
Me say,
Cranberry, a real ninja, you know. I'm Toko
put it
ninja,
down
you know.
and make it ripe, and I eat it. Two up them, all the more,
Hey,
it was
guys.
selling.
Cranberry a sample, you know. Cranberry, what you eat today?
We eat jackfruit, and
I eat jackfruit, make you talk
fried
truth.
chicken, and rice. You cook?
No?
Yeah, my mother.
Cranberry.
She
The jackfruit
cook
make
the
you talk
sunrise.
truth.
Yeah.
See, guys, jackfruit make you talk truth.
And to the rice is nice, like chicken and rice. Yeah, so I mash up the food already and and she eat a black car.
And the black car, she black though.
Turn your face, man, and stop and and the glass, I look like you know, my sister, one of them want to take it from you, yeah?
Hey, move your face from your face.
Move your hand.
Let's move our face from our face.
Look up, man, just look up, take the glass.
Yeah.
No, put on my neck.
Say move your face from your face.
Put on your hand, put on your
Yeah.
hand, make him see your
You're not favor Cranberry. You're not look alike. Are your sister?
Yes.
Hey, you get one more sister.
Watch it, look how I dress tall and me have one of them dress I like it, girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, sister, me I tell you, get them true, you know. If me I hear you later, the day I say, sister,
Yeah.
you want some for it?
Yeah.
Me I look some money for you. Come back
Oh,
and go over Kimo, go
you know?
ask him for some money. Then let me hear you cook right
cook for you.
eat.
Yeah.
For real, and let me there, yeah, there, no, I'm there, Kimo yard.
Mm-hmm.
I'm coming from over here, yeah, go over Kimo, go cook. Rice and peas.
Yeah.
Daddy, Esther,
Yeah.
Boom, Ocean,
Yeah.
and the next one.
Mm-hmm.
And the
Rest of
next fat
Jackson.
one.
Mm-hmm.
I make them taste for food. And if you need taste for food right now, no one ball I want and say, Cranberry, you can't cook a pot of food back for me. I want one more pot money of rice, nice and sweet.
So why my belly hurt me when me eat it?
Maybe just bring a doctor and take care of
Them same belly that hurting.
I don't want food, right? I don't want food. I don't want food.
Which place say puppy them, the Cranberry?
Them have puppy.
Yeah, sure, puppy say I have two sister puppy for you.
The amount of
Yeah, see.
Georgie. Just a roll in.
Yeah.
Same time you roll in.
Oh, daddy.
Today we're looking out for the animals them. Yeah, today's not the human day.
Yeah.
Today the animal day.
Oh, yeah, so we'll get more puppy.
Yeah, the brown enough puppy, man, but I don't know much here, because I'm never going to look much at them.
Daddy.
How much on there?
I don't know how much of them.
Five,
sure.
I'm almost five, but now I'm telling you that you don't have to look. Me see, two white one and some black one and some brown
I'm
one.
not saying I don't go look on
No,
them.
see him down when you see him come on. We hear them a ball.
Like the pink.
The pink there.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Can you imagine with the purple now? With two of them together, pink and the purple.
I'm pretty.
When that thing is up and I purple, I go put it around there.
Yeah. It's a good catch. It's a good catch, no lie.
On the appointment, I tell you about for the eye, man, I don't let me go.
Oh, check it out.
So, yeah.
What am I say?
Also, I tell you say two things, but I do a thing left on it.
Scan.
No, a layers.
Oh, the laser.
Yeah.
Oh, what am I
And
say? The arm,
both of them,
the
yeah, because I say, the blood,
Coma?
the blood, no. Blue coma, then say, but they must have the blood, so the diabetic,
yeah.
the blood, the vein,
Yeah.
nah, the vein mash up.
Oh.
So, we go about the 27. But I tell you, say 25,000 to each one of the eye them. So if you do it, and if you do again, you have to pay.
So what them say about the laser? Is it 100% it will better? It's a laser damage?
No, that's what I say. When it do,
Yeah.
it can come back again. So maybe have to do again, but when you pay the 25,000, when if you do again, you're not going to pay the full 25, you're going to pay 15. And if you do, I must have something you can do, and then you have to do it again, and yeah.
And I think that will more damage your eye more and more.
That may I pay.
Yeah. I feel like if you got the natural thing.
Yeah man, that may I pay.
Natural thing. I'm to the donkey people, you know use that as well.
No, so I'm going to see them. That's a little thing, yeah, because I tell them about it too, man.
Yeah. I know one time I got eyeball spice, I run them, I will get it from the Rasta man, the donkey people can sell them.
I know it too, you know, I know it, man.
So the tree now they're around here now we are
talking. Yeah, tree supposed to open we were good, I see no tree boy, so I see some once, but I see it again, because to the building them, they cut the most of them. Yeah, but I know the tree, man.
I know one time I see the herbal man, I ask him about things for eye. Yeah, because you know, him do other treatment, you know, internal and thing. We don't really speak about the eye. But like you mentioned that, when we see him tonight, I go ask him about the eye treatment, them and thing, if anybody who have glaucoma or, you know, or them eyesight bad. Yeah. What them can really have for that.
Yeah, because I say, it not hurt me, not feel no way or nothing. I just not see how tight.
But just not trust the laser thing in your eye, you know? Like, it's just a thing I'm not trust, laser on your eyeball, you know? Them always miss something, you know? You know?
I want me to link up with them look at hell, because I ask them about something about where we're going to cut or so. They must say, no, it's laser, it's not about something for cut, so I want then.
Burn them, I burn it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to let them burn out the bad part, you know? But, well, I never did too. Because them say if you do it, you have to do it again.
Yeah, it can come back and you have to do it again, yeah.
That don't make no sense. But I can find out from the herbal man here what him say. Because right now the natural better. It does, you know? I can ask him where cause that, because you have the diabetic, right?
Yeah, because it make it happen, man. Vein them.
Yeah. I find out from him, yeah. You know? Alright then, where's the puppies and the dogs and the cats? Oh, Mr. realize you flash off right there, so.
Oh, so you get different. Watch out, Esther, this never the panic and a different one again.
It's always been there.
I never see that. At this, I see it.
Nana. Exactly.
Turn it around, let me see, I don't believe you.
It's always there.
This look like a new one. Oh, you better.
Every time
sure.
she says a new one.
It look like a new one, Kima.
You wear glass?
And that is a show.
You want glass?
For real. Look here, I'm teach you put. Now my classmate have help. And she say, Mama borrow you. Mama get a glass and put.
You can't wear nobody glasses here. Touch on their eye.
I will use the brush, yeah? Roller better.
I'll get one.
The brush. And that's the brush for going in now. The brush for going in the groove them now. Get out them spots there. Will I go back over it again? Yeah. Yeah, in another coat. Get it flushing, you know? And let's get you can use a brush, them can use a brush now before them use about the roller. So you said the room finished tile now? The finished tile?
Yeah, the room go me take over back tile them, you know. And the eyes I'm never love how they look. That are the front one and that the front this time.
Yes,
so take them out back.
Oh.
Put them in back and take them out man. Right, they all too the space from the C90 too wide than the front tile.
Oh, look how go on. Bare feet. Wala.
Better mine, you know. Yeah.
All right, let's say your talk.
Mama, give me.
Oh. Tar. Under swim. That whole on the ear wet. Tara.
In the
swim to look man.
They done differently, man.
Oh, you never go around this yet?
No.
So you can drop back it in there.
Yeah.
See the back here, look back.
Jackfruit. Oi.
And a big one there. One more up there.
Talk up with 3 of them.
One more up there.
One more up there, but talk up and go 4 in a tree.
Talk there.
Look, man, you say you can pick it for you. And I say, just say, liar. One more up there, a big one.
Look at ice cream. Ice cream.
Like this.
Trial it first.
Yeah.
This thing. Yeah, put it on the back door.
You can give something like that, some of this.
No, one of them are for the...
Oh, some of that thing.
Yes. Come and make a thank Amina for the cat food.
I don't want to put my box.
So we're going to thank Amina.
Amina,
Thank you so much.
No, we're going to thank Amina. No?
Amina.
What look like cat?
Because of cat food.
This me at all.
Oh, that's a dog. You see dog for it, this?
No, it looks so dark food to look like. No, it's
Yeah, Cranberry is something else, you know. So guys, we want to thank Amina for the cat food.
Thank you, Amina. Come on, that's
Amina.
Amelia.
Amina.
Amelia.
Amina. Me. Listen first. Listen first. Me. Na. Yeah, Amina.
Amina.
Amina. Nah, yeah, Amina. Yeah, Amina.
Amila.
Oh, yeah. Cranberry, stop it. So Amina.
Thank you,
Amina.
Amina.
Nah.
Not la. Not la. Yes, la.
Amila.
You got my queen la? Nah. Amina.
Amina.
What happened to your tongue?
Nana. Why you say Nana then?
Say Nana. Amina. Say Nana.
Nana.
Yeah, Amina.
Amina. Amina.
Nah. Amina.
Amina.
Yeah. So
Amina.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
Yeah.
for the cat food and the dog food.
Yeah, blessed love. Hey, come on, you say it now.
Amina, thank you for the cat food and the dog food.
Come on, let's talk. Come talk. Amina, come talk, Amina.
Thank you, Amina, and don't make your food bucket never empty.
We are wet. Under swim. Tara, you too. Come here, Tara. Come thank Amina. So thank you. Oh my God. So thank Amina. Look at me.
Thank you, Amina, for the cat food and dog food. Thank you, Amina, for the cat food and dog food. And may God bless you.
All right. Cats and dog. So the doggies. Where's the dog pan? Oh.
I'm still the one that you
She get cat food today? She eat today?
eat now.
Yeah,
She a church board.
These are friskies.
Wait, I'm still.
You know these cat? Yeah, you know these?
The cat more watch it. The cat.
What's that?
This
This way again.
The cat.
This.
One, they are half. Where you put it in? Where you put it in?
I'm going to cut it and put
In a,
this in the fridge and put it in one bag. And watch it, dog.
watch it. The cat will jump up. Yes, yeah.
Look here.
The cat here, watch this now. Yes!
That's my long way now. I know. Oh, you are. I can't.
She not eat from there.
No, that's a shy. Lower now. That's a
I don't
shy.
know why people throw that, okay?
Evening.
Mama, may I take this and...
She want one cloth, one whole piece of cloth for wash out inside of it. Go on, your mommy go wash it, go get it.
Daddy. But they say you have to walk in a slippers.
Nah, walking on no slippers.
2 people have paid for me and you are lower than
Yes, sir. Esther, we got more jackfruit.
And that must say,
Yeah.
When I make it right.
we get more than whole bag.
Yes, sir. So one of these is for Chris dog and one is for Fumi dog. So.
But white mouse gonna eat it off from the mother.
Eh?
No, white mouse mother breastfeed, but white mouse gonna eat it off. Crib near?
I want something for cut this. Oh, charge of the knife. Charge, you cut this sip there.
Can I be like in them yard?
Of course, I'm in country. Let's cut them out of that for me. Yeah. Is that good? It's fit. It's not ripe.
You know, that's something I want.
This one is cereal. Do you want to try it?
No.
May I get the cat?
No, don't get the cat. The cat alright.
A different shape.
Yes, it's a different look. Different shapes.
Then why you say that?
Let me see that.
Look, see there?
A 2 different shape.
You know, Sarah, I'm about to buy a cat.
What should buy?
Different one. And she has some fun.
White nose.
Yeah.
Getting the food.
Right now, do not bite a man, yeah?
You know, give her. She has some fun. That's what you see.
Oh,
I'm there. Come down.
okay.
Esta love your mommy. The dog do not know what is this.
I want to eat the cat food.
No, it's fried chicken with us.
Cat a eat and them a eat, though. Cat a eat and them a eat. They are wonder for the same food them a eat. Hey, look, man.
You don't eat on the cat food, yeah?
Wano?
You know, the ad.
Yes, man, I beat people at.
So you want to beat me?
All right, there.
Yeah, take it side.
Yeah. Oh, make sure you pick the jackfruit before you pick it. One more up there.
Yeah, because we can't go far in a tree.
So no really put talk on that tree? For the talker climb tree. Hey, talker real ninja, you know? No, sir.
We never want to go up there for jobs. Well,
right.
everybody I got there.
Esther, what is it there?
This is my next dog.
Esther.
Me and me.
What is it?
Okay.
Come on, make it good there.
Okay.
See.
No, there's something stuck by your hand from the jar.
Yeah, the
Why was
stain.
you alone?
Look here.
Hungry a clit.
Standing up. Look, Esther. You see where I go on?
Yeah, me say I stand up. Hungry a clit.
Excuse us.
Come remote your dog way now.
Push her down.
Push down, we have a
I wish she was busy. I'll go for the. Yes, girl. Stand up.
Stand up for justice.
Stand up.
Bend it down a little bit.
Up. We'll go, girl, on the flat up here. Up.
See my mind, that's all I drop by your foot, yes?
Look, Lord God, I put my syrup on 2 foot.
No, she did have a deal.
Yeah. You can't beat cranberry, you know?
Jesus Christ.
Hey! Stand up for justice.
I tell you, jump for joy.
Can you remember your time?
Wait there. Oh, but you're gonna touch it.
Why will I pick it out?
The one don't mess up people
Yeah,
ever
the
within
one
the
don't mess
yard.
up
Where?
Poor Shakara.
Stand strong, Shakara.
Stand firm.
I don't want to pull her down there. No, stand.
Yeah. Well,
Look at me,
while you're here, balance.
yeah, how much in there now? It's a Christmas.
Your Chris dog name. Him have name?
No, in name like Chris. Me I tell you, me give him the name. Love it, chow. Chow.
Alright, come go look for her now.
Daddy, put on your slippers.
If they wait in the car, so
Him not here, you know.
let him want to hear one.
Oh, my clock slipper, where you name there?
I leave the crooks up on you.
And my grandma said next week she'll come back.
Come, miss, come.
Come, Janisha.
Shakara, you can climb the hills.
Come, Shakara.
We're taking you out the concrete jungle.
Hello?
Hey, stand up. Now make me drop.
What do you mean? We're taking you out the concrete jungle. Out the concrete jungle.
Daddy, see big.
Eh?
Yeah.
No, we're not done it, man. We'll leave something for you. The jackfruit.
No, you don't forget no.
Right. Baby, we'll leave 2 for you, man. Yeah? We'll leave 2.
Oh, shoot, come on. But no, look, man, jam me up.
Oi,
Daddy, jam me up. I'm a jam.
Yeah. We're on the panning us and the
No, Esther, I can't come up and the bag. My master, I'm too heavy.
But I'll none want to draw up too. Talk you too?
So far.
Look, tired of behind you. Shakara want to draw up now. Look, what little girl.
She'll come up by herself.
By herself.
Not too much. Them live here. I don't live here.
Stop it on.
One Tara, one go. Tara soldier. She's a buffalo soldier.
Go on, Tara, go on. Show them say.
That's not Catalia.
So me have to talk.
Aye.
My sister.
Yeah, call her sister.
Yeah.
Yeah, call her sister.
Alright.
What Catalia come from?
3rd Street.
When I girl him. When I little girl him.
No, you could go in our
What's that? Coco, I bring,
See that Kima? The big one that. The Kima, how you go for that now?
Nah, go feed. We got 2 already.
So Kima, put the camera on it and watch it, man. You know have to make nobody pick off a big jacket. So that I just tell you, that's how I pick off the one.
This one, I'm right.
Come look here, Esther, come here, baby. You're my good daughter, you know. You see it?
That big one?
Soft, me I tell you.
That big one there?
Yeah, it look a bit soft.
Oh, you know it's soft?
Watch
You're
it.
good at disappointed. Look.
Suppose it's not soft.
Feel it, Kimo, me I tell you. Somebody, look here, me I tell you. So, you see your mom tell us to go pick it? We pick it again.
For this one?
You want them the two.
You don't think that big one there already yet?
Let's check it.
Because you don't smell it.
You don't smell no.
I don't smell.
Right there,
Yeah.
no, sir.
That's not ready yet.
Smell so far.
You notice me come up here when I smell no jackfruit?
Not sir.
What? This man, I pick the one and smell it.
Yes, because I pick the one I smell.
I'm going to get some big lick.
So I'm going to check my
Daddy.
puppy now.
Where daddy, you have to check no puppy. I mean, you have to tell thanks, you know, I mean, tell us they have a puppy, no? Yeah? Daddy, why you never bring something there? We want someone there, no star up, you know.
She can climb, no?
Oh!
She a big climber.
Shakara.
I'll give you take a picture of time, let me see when shop like you. Hear that?
Oh, yeah, I do. Talk up. Hey, talk up. Pick it up. Yeah. Talk up, you get to it.
And she a herb pana.
Your face.
And a herb pana.
Talk up, try peek out one. Talk. Yeah. Oh.
Daddy. Daddy.
Yes, Daniela, you need this exercise. You, Daniela?
Daniel, yeah.
Sorry, Shakara.
So I forgot you.
You come from up there. You come from up there.
Mr. Dad, you have them puppy, you know?
Yeah.
What's up? What? Shall feed? What? See how you should do here, so. What's up? How you doing? She can't move because the puppy them up on her breast.
See? So
okay?
puppy look. So puppy look like.
Poor thing.
No,
May I go for you? Bring it come.
And are you
No, I said find something.
to box it?
Shall I play it on so? I put it in a plate.
Call Chris.
Put it now.
Well,
Chris!
not me do it. You can't do it.
Chris, I watch movie.
Stop.
You see how play it?
Yeah,
Yes. You see it?
sit here. Chris!
Uncle Chris. See because in there, them they think about it.
No, what's your dog?
Goat. Remy, she said Remy goat.
No, say that.
Go that way, go that way. Chris, I come over.
You know, say that dog don't know it.
Even Chris.
Even.
Yes.
God, how will you pound?
Yeah, only for pitney.
My God.
Yes, what?
My dog got pitney. So bring our food here. Give me one knife, I'm sure some fairs. I'm going to get her.
You can watch it. Where you watch? What fair watch?
What big people show up and a penny show up?
That's a nice now, pitney.
No, that mean a car.
Wait, I want to our nana.
No, put my show. That be like.
Nana's get ready for laugh.
And Ted Cranberry like what else?
Yeah. Founded man, Chris. Chris, are you the dog one this and I'm going to start showing some.
Look at man. Look at them.
My part of the family, man.
Part of your family?
Yeah.
The boy I'm seeing by the top. Look at
No, man, are we even picking for?
No, man, you ain't there, man.
No, I'm picking up.
Them pick and put on each one will come them give it.
Yeah,
we get it.
yeah, yeah.
See right now we have food them give it.
Are we?
See up here. No, them put it down till we come.
Wow, see what we do? What's that? Give me a
You are trying this.
Eh?
You can.
No, man, you keep this.
Okay.
Yeah, we are going.
Come.
We want water now.
What's your name? Did you give her any name?
Spider name.
Spider? Come, Spider. You know what? Spider get free because she says so much out on one time. Spider, show them what. Up. High five. Give me a paw. Spider, give me a paw.
Spider, I think just a baby though.
Give me a paw. Yeah. See that shakara? Look, shake. Come here, Spider. Give me a paw. High five.
Them have black
Now black and make me give her some room. Come. High five.
See what happened?
I 5-9 plate.
Yeah. Give me a paw. Come, paw. Exactly. That's what I'm talking about.
Dog want the food now. Dog must say, but you want water, you have water in there.
No.
Or next we have that, the next.
Come, we get some water.
On the Chris have
Chris,
Chris have water.
Yeah.
give me a little water for this thing. Kind of bad.
Mark Shakar, if you come with it.
Yeah, I'm going to cause of that.
And then that must say, them get a privilege.
Jesus.
It's crazy.
I see them spider.
Spider.
A stick pan quote. Stick pan quote.
What is?
It's a quality.
Okay.
That's how my behave.
Okay, Joe.
That's how my behave, so I'm not really.
Yeah, black the dog pass.
Who the dog pass? I say this every time I put the dog.
She like, oh, this is too much face.
Family man.
Yes.
Spider look like she vexing her too much.
Yeah, because she see too much people.
Tima.
Alright, Chris.
Alright, take care of yourself. Yeah, man.
Yeah, but yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright, Mr. Chris.
Yeah, take care of yourself.
Yeah, you too.
Alright.
Guys, of course she feel because too much out when she say, one man. Me and my dog can't have a privacy.
I want another dog. Oh, there's a
Yeah. Me and my dog can't have a privacy. Go on. Bye bye. 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 Yeah. What? You can't have a privacy though. Sit there. They must come crowd up with yes though. Jesus, you got baby. Yeah. It happened over there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'm a big friend, man. Spider. Spider. Where? Walk, spider, walk. Walk, spider, walk. Spider, walk. Chris, later now. Remember if you make me know where I go on, yeah? Yeah, man. You know, man. Yeah. Bye-bye. Look at our puppies. Bye-bye. Take care, okay? Alright? I bring food for you. Later, okay? Yeah? Take care of your kids, okay? Take care of the puppies. Till next time, right? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. High five, I'm gone now. Take care. Bye. There. Don't leave her now. Guys, it feels good walking barefoot. Yeah, stay there. Feels so good walking bare feet. Look, she now stop looking. Bye bye.
See them?
Nothing no left.
Eh? Come up some.
No, not them one. Them one they too young. They're the one that stay.
Them young.
Yeah. Them one that just born. Them one that just born. Let's talk on over. You come now, bring them the jackfruit. Jackfruit, make a talk, Jude.
Look at my farmer jackfruit. Come baby, that farmer jackfruit.
Look at my name, you pick it
Farmer
up.
jackfruit.
Make him bring it now. Make him bring it, man. Kenisha later. Yeah. There, look a bit. Tara, bye bye. Tara, march out. Chargy.
Yeah, bro.
I'm checking on the weekend, yeah? Yeah. When we come back
Today, no? I come back to post.
yeah, difference again. Yeah.
Tomorrow when?
Bon off. Oh. Yeah. Go on though. More jackfruits. You get some more. D, it's a follow my jackfruit, you know, D. D, you follow my jackfruit, so. So make sure me secure it. You can't get no pass.
Anyway, Kira.
Alright, then later, yeah?
She want to go. Okay.
Are you paint this one?
Yeah.
Waste the paint.
No, wash me and wash out this up, man.
Oh.
The ruler and take some and put it there. Daddy, who's not saying that? No. Champagne and greenhouse.
Champagne and greenhouse.
Yeah. Who's not?
Cola.
Why? Champagne and rum.
Go on, Tara. It's a boom bare feet.
What's that 3 people?
Go on, Tara.
Boom.
And Tara now have any as well too. Bare feet in the street.
Daddy, they reach home and give boom not when my beat your eye.
No, I'm telling you. Cool on your feet in the water. Woo! What is the miss?
Lion. I say that if I make boom time, I say I'm like you jackfruit and lie. Everybody has to keep my beard in the river, swim out him, sell, look at him. A bad man in him. And I'm all keep on come to water and swim so. And wash off him. Yeah. I'm wash off him look at foot. When I'm barefoot. So I'm not want to body knows I'm barefoot in come a river. Call him daughter barefoot. I'll boom barefoot. I'm 4 people barefoot. Tyra and Kina and boom. You see him? Yeah, the camera, watch you. See there? So you put it up when you're going to water though, Kina.
Why you drop the camera?
If you drop my bike back. Daddy see you camera. Hold it in now. Are you my gate? Kuma laugh if you drop out the feet and you must buy it. I like daddy. If you drop out the food and you drop out the bike.
I feel like running. Feel like swim, Nana. Slippery. Show me a magic, show me magic. Which magic you show me? A magic that can't trick me. I'm sure you are magic. Water. That's a magic, Nana. That's a magic. That's a magic. Well, I come like I don't want to come out the water boom. But like I don't want to leave the water side. Guys, like I don't want to leave the water, no. Yeah, like you don't want to leave, right? Yeah, yeah. Wow, I just love this water. River empty today still. No one. Yeah? Yeah. Well guys, you know it's time for us to head out. You know, even though we don't want to leave. You know, nature got me here, don't want to move. But trust me. I'm have to wash my face with some water too. Yeah, no wash my face. With the river water. Guys. Nice. I have to wash my face with the river water. In tune with nature whenever I come here. So I take off him shoes, that's what we're talking about. Get grounded.
Grounded, you know?
Yeah.
Nature. Grounded in nature.
Of course. Get grounded, man, and feel the vibe.
Yeah, I walk barefoot.
Yeah.
When I look at me walk barefoot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's when we younger, we used to love run up and down barefoot.
Barefoot.
You know, we don't know when you have slippers sometimes. As we put on the slippers, we take it off.
Take it off. Slippers don't exist like how slippers enough now.
Yeah.
But never enough them time.
No. Never at all. But no. Slippers is out. Yeah. Right now the amount of slippers kids have. The amount of slippers will exist right now.
One style and take it off and after style.
Yeah. Panther.
Daddy.
Let's go, female.
Come on. Come on. Daddy, no.
Tell him so.
Tell me what?
You know what I tell him.
Exactly.
Can't step on camera though. A surprise something.
Daddy, put on the camera.
Yeah, lock off the camera.
Because we don't want to hear.
No. I say, you see, same thing.
Excuse me.
Lock off the camera now.
No,
Me and Esther go talk. So
Don't talk.
We don't want you to talk. No.
Alright, we're not talk. No, Esther.
Mm-hmm.
Time no why. You want everybody to know.
Yeah.
We know us, we know everybody here.
It's too lucky to remember saying so which I can't do. I feel lucky.
I keep it on.
Alright.
I'm going to the car still on.
See the war.
See the wire? Oh, I'm set to walk up on you.
So we can't do it.
Eh? Any mark? Where the jackfruit?
Oh, it must be.
Go.
I see you with it.
Tara. Go to Tara. Yeah. Hey, Tara, use one hand for balance.
Cranberry till then come.
Oh, yeah, sir.
White nose.
What's up? Look at step in there, put it. My goodness.
Are you mark?
full of cock.
On your mark.
Yeah.
On your mark. Yeah.
Go on the mark. Lindy.
Get set.
Get set. Every morning
On your mark.
just stand and run.
Go.
Come collect the spoon from me, look man. Collect the spoon. And run now. Leave run now.
Run, Tara.
Whoa, watch out.
Watch out the dog. And she get up and run again.
Me that cry.
Jesus Christ.
Come me that cry.
Tara, rough, you know? Hey, white nose. Look what you did.
But you not cry, me that cry.
White nose. Look what you did. Come here. Come here. She know what she do, you know. Tara, you okay, Tara? Check Tara because she
Check
dropped.
Tara, cause the dog.
The dog must drop just now.
Get up and shoot. Run
She
again.
get up and she run. Tara, rough man. Come here, Tara. Come and see if me see your hand.
Tara,
Alright. Let me see your hand. Turn on. Let me see the next hand. Yeah. Let me see your feet now. Come and see your feet, Tara.
Tara, good man.
Yes.
She not get no scratch
No
to the
scratch,
punch.
yeah.
Around punch.
And she up and again. And Tara get up and run again, you know. She rough, but I like. She rough.
Daddy, anything people way out, bossy. And then people right there. So
Camera.
not my father.
The camera. The cranberry or something else, you know.
The camera.
What I want to say? It's
What,
lock off now.
Me no say that tiny or I feel like I can't trick me.
Lock off now, man.
Me know it now. Esther, we now want to see nothing.
Sit there. It's off.
Come here, so make him look up so we don't want to know.
You want your mother know nothing?
I shall so we are talk about that.
Alright, I'm lock it off.
Me know it now that half give me can't trick me.
I wish you get food.
From
Alora.
Your sister,
Alora.
your sister. Come now, go away now.
Alright, see you later. Much I want? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, come here. 200, 200, 200, 200, 200. So each one want to get 200, okay?
No, do not give shit.
No, me I give my mother, make my mother share it.
200 get 200 each.
All away.
Yes.
Yeah, come my mother. I'm
And liquor miss. And liquor miss.
I come in. Let's see, I go.
Esther, you have $200 there? Give me for give you liquor miss. So everybody get $200. I just give one of them and them share the rest. No, give liquor man to give liquor miss. Liquor man.
No, do not trust. Look, man.
No,
Do not
son,
trust
we.
it.
What do you mean?
Look at my mom, spend it.
No, give me it.
Nah, spend it. You know,
Yeah, what do you never get 5 bills?
you never get a 5 years?
No,
Yeah?
do not give him because the last time number one,
See next one
him
there.
buy
See next
something
one
there. Him buy something there. Him buy a box meal.
Alright, give me. Now make
And then
Nana, you
flat
get
and
then.
5 box meal.
Alright, you get then, Nana.
You should get something.
Nah.
Hey,
So come on. You go on now.
Back off, no, my girl.
You go on now. Cranberry, come. Cranberry.
Cranberry.
Nana, high five.
But I'm coming.
Next time.
Daddy.
But I'm come when Cranberry come.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah?
Alright then, look man, look away.
yeah, then I can't come, but we can't take on the
Yeah.
rest.
Bye.
No, she not come. She
Bye,
not come.
Coco.
He not come. He not come. Yes, 2 all 1.
And Tara.
Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better day.